receiver block set up in the milling machine for ready for drilling the air transfer port. First I'm just going to spot the work for the drill, and I use a center drill for this because they are a lot more stable. Swap the center drill over for a 4mm drill bit for the next step in drilling the air transfer port. I think I have to shut the camera off for a while now. Or maybe I can place it here. Yes, perfect. That looks about right. This step is drilling for well, I'm tapping this hole 6mm, so I'm drilling it 5mm. Perfect. Because if you do everything in just one mounting in the machine, it has to be straight and true. At least in theory. This is a good quality SKF tap. And I'm just gonna go by hand here. Perfect. Nice and straight. And while I'm at it, I might as well drill and tap the adder hole also. We'll see. Once again, center drill. No, almost forgot. There's one more thing to do before I move anything, and that is to drill through the valve seat. I don't know what to call it, so I say valve seat. Here's what I call the valve seat. For those of you familiar with the rapid guns, This is this is my version of it. Okay, so this one has to be pushed in there and then drilled through for the air transfer port. Okay, I have now made sure that the plastic valve seat is fully seated and ready to be drilled. And I just want to go through into the valve stem hole there and not over drill it, so I think I'll have to go easy. That was the air transfer port.